Hello everyone, this is Wang, and I'm glad to introduce our latest research in understanding data storytelling tools from human-AI collaboration perspective. We are now living in a world where data is everywhere. To communicate findings and knowledge in data, data stories are widely used across individuals and among the general public, such as infographics by WHO and a data video about world development by Hans Rosling. Though data stories are widely applied, it takes creators considerable effort to author them with diverse skills, from journalism to machine learning. To lower the barrier and efforts in creating data stories, AI has been introduced in the whole life cycle of data storytelling. Here are some example tools to help with data analysis, story organization, visualization construction, and also presenting data stories. In our survey, we have identified a total of 60 data storytelling tools spanning from 2010 to 2023. Notably, during the period from 2016 to 2018, purely manual tools held the majority share. However, there has been a noticeable shift in interest towards human-AI collaborative tool since 2019. Despite the efforts in developing such tools, a systematic review from the human-AI collaboration perspective is lacking, hindering our ability to reflect on research progress and identify future opportunities. To fill the gap, this paper provides a comprehensive understanding of how humans and AI collaborate in data storytelling tools. In our paper, we first propose a framework to categorize existing tools from two perspectives based on existing tools and previous literatures. The first angle is to delineate what stages these tools will cover in the entire workflow of storytelling, including data analysis, planning, implementation, and communication. We consider these stages in the framework since they may require different skills and pose different requirements for effective human-AI collaboration. This context can help us better understand human-AI collaboration patterns in different tools. Another angle is to characterize the roles of humans and AI in each stage. We employ 4 roles: creators, assistants, optimizers, and reviewers to delineate the collaborative efforts between humans and AI, and our aim is to utilize these roles to clarify the distribution of tasks, such as creators leading particular stages or reviewers offering suggestions. This perspective allows us to assess whether humans and AI effectively leverage their strengths and mitigate their weaknesses through the task allocation. Subsequently, the framework is utilized to assess existing tools. For instance, in the case of DataShot, AI acts as creators, initially mining data facts during the analysis stage, and then organize and arrange these facts into clusters, and ultimately generate posters to convey the narratives. Human, on the other hand, serve as optimizer, refining the selection of data facts and the style of posters. In another instance, stage story focuses on communication stage and employs AI as assistant to enhance humans' presentation of data stories. For more details about other tools, please refer to our online browser and paper. Based on our coding, we have a series of observations and lessons. From the stage perspective, we have identified 4 categories of tools. The first group focuses solely on implementation stage with the largest number of tools. And the second group expands upon the capability of the first by accommodating both planning and implementation stage. And moving forward, the tools in the third group connect the first stages from analysis to implementation seamlessly. And lastly, the fourth group of tools is specifically tailored for the communication stage. Next, we delve into the patterns of human-AI collaboration within each stage. For instance, it is common to observe AI creators collaborating with human optimizers during the implementation stage, and in the analysis stage, human creators often receive assistance from AI. Beyond individual stages, we dig deep into the collaboration across multiple stages. One interesting finding is a trace from tools within human creators to those with AI creators, and finally the tools with mixed human and AI creators. Such a finding may vary from our intuition of a continuously increasing automation level among all tools. However, when considering users' expectation, we found that it is a promising trend since data workers demonstrate different levels of needs of AI participation in different storytelling stages. They prefer less AI automation in collecting data facts and compiling data outlines for the control over the whole story. Differently, more automation in data story implementation is desired to save efforts. Furthermore, such an observation reveals a potentially useful lesson for future human-AI collaborative tool design. Not limiting to data storytelling tools, when there are multiple stages in a workflow, a strategy to maximize AI automation and human agency is to adopt suitable collaboration patterns according to stage characteristics to optimize the entire workflow rather than a specific stage. Besides these findings, our survey further reveals a series of research opportunities. First, according to our summary, there has been a series of unexplored roles of humans and AI, such as the application of AI reviewers. Second, all the identified collaborations are between one AI system and one human in our paper. We would like to encourage future research to investigate the collaboration among multiple human and AI collaborators. Furthermore, we noticed that the designs of human-AI collaboration have become research opportunities. Therefore, we would like to encourage future tools to apply our framework as an approach to assess the differences with literature and demonstrate their novelty more clearly. Here is an example to compare several tools from slide creation in notebooks, and with our framework, their differences are clear to notice. In conclusion, our paper contributes an effective framework to categorize human-AI collaborative data storytelling tools for reflection and future prospects. Through the lens of our framework, we are excited to share there are numerous research opportunities where we can advance data storytelling with smooth collaboration between humans and AI. Thanks for listening. You can scan the QR codes to learn more about our paper.